Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ash and I'm in third year. So I had to make a term project. Basically, we have to make three term projects in the third year. So this is going to be the first term project and I have to make a report on my term project. So this is going to be the video that I'm going to send to college for my report. So let's get to it. So this is a data analysis project. Why exactly did I choose data analysis? Because I just wanted to test my skills going from data analysis. And for the second term project, I would try, let's say, ML. Yeah, I'll definitely try ML in the next term project. And in the third term project, I would like to try my DL skills or maybe uh, even OpenCV. I'll see what I can do at that point of time. Why exactly did I choose term project instead of internship? Because I'm a working professional. So I thought this is the best choice for me. And I think I did pretty good. So let's get to it. So these are the main features of the project. First is the main dashboard. I have the main features listed here, but we are not going to it because I'll just show you what I've done. Second is the customer analysis, and third is the product analysis. You can find that data set on UCL machine learning. So what actually I have done here, I have removed the cancelled invoices, the negative quantities, and the missing customer IDs. Basically, anything that is not required by me, mm, and created a revenue column and a month column. So, what tech stack I have used? Python, Pandas, NumPy, Plotly, Streamlit, and Matplotlib. I have not made it on Windows, so I don't have it locally here, but I'll show you how to install it and how to make it run on your PC. So first thing, I'll just copy it. I'll go to command prompt and I'll select the drive that I want it in and then the folder that I want it in. By it, I mean project. After I go into the directory, I'll just paste it here. Once it finishes downloading, we'll get to it. Let's just wait a few moments. Okay, since it is done, let's just see. Okay, we have the folder here. Retail sales analysis. CD, retail sales analysis. After this, what we can do is we have two ways to go ahead. I can use a command prompt or I'll use PyCharm. I think I'll use PyCharm. So what I'll do is just go here and I'll wait for PyCharm to open. Now that it has opened up, I'll just open the project here. You can see that I was playing with the same data set just in different mode, that is Windows. I'll just open the same thing, but the main project here. Yeah, I've opened it. Now we can see that we have the requirements.txt here. What we can do is I'll make a virtual environment and after that run it. If you don't want it, you can just skip the step of activating and making a virtual environment and then go ahead. So what I'll do is Python um, mvenv dot venv. After that, I'll just after that what I'll do is just go here and copy this. What this does is basically it will install all the libraries that is needed to run this project. So now that it is installed, what we want to do is make a new folder named process here. Basically, I had one more folder, but GitHub placed a restriction that the file shouldn't be more than 100 MB and it reached about 103 MB. So I thought instead of compressing it, I just mentioned it in the README that you just have to do one thing and that is make a process folder. Okay. After that, you can simply go ahead and run it. Streamlit, run app.py. I hope that it runs fine. Hmm. Okay, it is just slow. I was a bit worried that it won't work. So, but it works. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy that my hours of planning and everything are just working, is working just fine. Okay. Okay, I'll just show you what is the project about. So first is the main dashboard that is called the app. The main dashboard is basically what is the total sales and what are the total number of customers and what are the total number of orders. And I have also made the monthly revenue chart here. And as we can see, the sales peak at around November. I think this is because of Christmas or basically the festivals. It is the data of I think foreign countries. That's why it is peaking around November. Yeah. Uh, and in the countries, we can see that UK is the top contributor. After that, EIRE is the next one, and then Netherlands. So I've placed the top 10 contributors in revenue. Okay. Yeah. Now let's go ahead to customer analysis. Top 10 customers by revenue. Because these are numbers, and what I wanted to do was basically just show the numbers. We can see the customer ID here and their revenue. What is the loyalty of the customer? Basically, frequency. Is the customer purchasing one time, two times, three times? What is the frequency? So as we can see, 0 to 1 times there are 1626 customers. After that 1608 for 2 to 3 times. So this is quite common. People actually come to your store 2 or 3 times, but after that who stay are the loyal ones. So the loyal ones are basically 4 to 5 times are 846, and after that it is slowly decreasing. So we can say that new customers do not retain a lot, but some of them do. This chart basically shows the revenue that a customer generates, and this is the 99th percentile of that. We can see that uh, 2000 plus people generate 5 to 500, 5 to 500 range of revenue, and after that 5 to 1500 is basically 1771, and after that 700 people generate 15 to 2500, and we can see that the trend is shifting downwards. And when we get to 5k it is only 153, and when we get to 10k only 44 people are generating that kind of money. So this is quite an interesting take. And when we get to product analysis, this I think is the most important chart for any kind of company that actually deals on products. We can see that the Christmas gift bag large is generating the most amount of revenue. So I would try to stockpile it even more if in case the demand goes up, like in November. That is one of the takes I would take. And after that, top 10 products by quantity. Uh, Here also, it is dominating the Christmas bag, as I said. Now, what is making me the most amount of money? That is Amazon fee. I think this is basically their affiliate ad or whatever we can say. But after that, uh, each product, uh, I would say each product makes them a little amount of money. And when we get to picnic basket, that generates at 650. pounds or dollars. Yeah, this is pounds. Yeah, since it is UK, it will be in pounds. So basically, picnic basket 60 pieces generates us $650. So I would also back it up, because if something is generating me 650 on one product and it does a lot of sales, I think it will be very information. Sorry, it, I think it will be very beneficial for us. So that is it for my report. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to actually present myself in front of the whole world, IIT Guwahati. I'm thankful to you guys for giving me a platform through which I can actually express myself to others. I'll see you guys in next project.